Okay, so here I have my mantlet. There was a spot right here and a spot over here, and they're kind of off, like eccentric. This one's closer to the edge than this one. And so this is the lifting eye that, Tongdi made to put on the mantlet. Okay, now I have a screenshot on my laptop here that has a pretty good image of the lifting eye. It's more like a ring. It's almost like it's made out of a rod, but it is flat, but it's kind of, it's got a radius all around it. It's got a hole, and the hole is almost flush with the top of the mantlet. Okay, so my idea is to use these right here are called jump rings. Okay, these are split jump rings, so that you can bend them and you can make like chains. You can, like I cut some coins, so I make some pendants, and so for the pendants I make chains. These are stainless steel, but they're both split rings. You can take and bend that, put the chain in there, bend it back, and now you got a necklace, right? So I got two sizes. Okay, this size here is closer to the size of the Tongdi piece, but I feel it looks way too big. And so this one's smaller, and I think it looks like the image I just showed. Okay, so it's kind of tough to do this, but I'm going to try to grab this with a pair of pliers. And I'm going to hold it in place where it would belong on the turret. I mean, on the, the mantlet. And so, I'm going to have them both the dimension from like the edge into this one. So this would be like right in this little divot here. I would glue them on, and then I could put like a little Bondo in front and in the back of it to kind of make it look like the image. But I think this little ring is a better size than this other one. This other one is really kind of big. I don't know. But so I'm just going to glue this one on in this location, and then over here I have to make a little notch in the pot. So I'll glue the two of them on. I'll fill this little divot in here with some Bondo, and then I'll attach the two jump ring lifting eyes. Whoops. I don't know. I'm not a pro at doing this. Usually I do everything handheld.